Hello everyone, here's Evita. Good afternoon. It is Sunday today. It's usually my date day with my husband, but since it was raining most of the time during the week and the weather doesn't look that bad, it probably will rain again in a few hours, but I'd like to do some maintenance here. Things need to get pruned and trimmed and deadheaded. So I asked my husband to just postpone our date day, and now he's playing the piano and I can work in the garden for a few hours. It's really windy, but it's okay. It's not cold at all. So I'd like to work here in the Hydrangea garden. Just pruning the two English yew topiaries here, the 3-tier topiary and the 2-tier topiary. And then I'll do some deadheading. The columbines are done blossoming. I will be leaving some so they can self-seed for next year, and the rest I'll cut off. Just doing some maintenance here. I will also be trimming and forming the euonymus hedge over here that is separating the hydrangea room to the next level here where I have my flagstone path. So I'll start with the 2-tier topiary. I cannot use any electric hedge trimmer today. It is Sunday. So I already positioned the ladder next to my 2-tier English yew topiary, and I'll start with that. Please enjoy the vlog. So guys, I almost got done pruning the 2-tier topiary, but now it's going to rain. I already feel some raindrops, so I'm going inside now. Continue this tomorrow. So it's done, guys. Not perfect, but it's okay. I pulled some columbines. I left some to seed for next year. And I noticed that the Hydrangea Annabelle is now flowering, and also the Ruby Annabelle. And I have one new one here. It's the Early Harry, but I'll show you that in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye now.